唔好數 one and two and， 嗰啲半拍係唔應該有一個拍子感喺度嘅。如果你嘅學生成日都混淆呢個同埋呢個嘅話，有機會就係因為佢哋數緊 one and two and 啦。呢個節奏如果佢哋淨係數啲拍嘅話，會容易啲搞掂。one two three four one two three four。但係你叫佢數 one and two and 咧，成個感覺就唔一樣啦。one and two and three and four and one and two and three and four and， 唔係淨係因為慢咗嘅，而係你將佢一個唔應該感覺到重拍嘅位，好似幫佢加咗一個重拍落去咁。就算你教佢哋將個 and 數輕啲啦，都係太重。嗰個喺4/3拍同埋1/4拍之間嗰個半拍感覺，幾乎係唔應該存在嘅。咁你又會問咯，嗰啲分拍咁難數點教啊？我又要拍多條片去教啦，因為好多嘢講㗎。咁唔該 subscribe 去我嘅 channel，繼續睇我嘅片。